ISO. International Organization for Standardization. ISO Global Recognized Standards. Best Practices. 29,000 Meaningful Standards. ISO 14001 Environmental Management. Employee involvement, regulatory compliance, higher efficiency, using the right performance indicators, improving customer relations. Get certified. ISO 14001 Lead Auditor. ISO 14001 Lead Implementer. Accredited by UKAS, IAS, certified by PECB Canada. Choose your time, your day and your date to get the internationally recognized certification. Accredited Training Center 3D educators with accredited certified trainers. Join us at info@3deducators.com. Our 800+ clienteles. Our existence. Join us wherever you are. The Global Institute of International Certifications. Register now.